Hello, welcome back to Sharing with Seryna. Finally, I got my new iPhone 14 Pro Max. So till something happened. Now I wonder, should I wait till next year? Well, today I want to compare the old phone versus my new phone and a digital camera. You probably wonder why, right? Watch the whole entire video. Let's jump right into it. iPhone 14 Pro Max did a fantastic job in ultra-wide shots and close-up photos with 3 built-in lenses. The stabilization is so crazy, nice and smooth with handheld footage. I shot my new intro with it. The sound was clear and crisp. I even like the flare. If you have an iPhone 8 Plus, you may want to upgrade. The only thing that worried me was it got super hot the first day I charged my phone. Then I noticed when I use a lot of videos, it warms on the left side where the camera is and in the middle too, but the right side is nice and cool. So I decided to keep my phone because I have to travel in December. I need something light and easy to take with me. By the way, I will live stream my trip and it will be my first time doing it. I hope it will work out. If anyone has any tips for me, please send them to me. I appreciate any help you can provide. Well, the last time I returned to Vietnam, it was 2006. Wow, that was 16 years ago. You need to visit your mother's land if somebody is dying or a wedding. Luckily for me, it's a wedding. Most of my siblings are getting older, and I lost my oldest brother last year, so I decided to take the trip at the last minute. Seriously, I applied for my US passport on October 12th. Hopefully it will come soon. Thanks to my older sister, Jiba, who paid for my plane ticket. Otherwise, I have to wait for another 3 or 5 years. Please send me a comment if you want more iPhone 14 Pro tutorials. And remember to utilize the super thanks for supporting me. If you are still deciding about iPhone 14 Pro Max, catch my live stream in December as I put the new phone to a tough test. Plus, I will show you my childhood memories of foods, fruits, vegetable, and the Mekong Delta where I was born. So you've never been in Vietnam? Come with me. I see you in December. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.